Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract text out of an audio clip with just 3 lines of code, hardly only 3 lines of code, right? So you need not be a data scientist, you need not be a data analyst, you don't even have to have any Python basic skills as well. If you can understand plain English, I will show you how to extract text out of audio clip with just 3 lines of code. Okay, before we go there, what is this new thing, new technology which come into the picture, which is enabling us to take that text out of an audio with just 3 lines of the code? Earlier, data scientists used to write advanced algorithms. They used to have advanced algorithms, and they used to write complex, code to get out the text out of it. They used to do stemming, lemmatization, stop words, and whatnot, count vectorizer, many things they used to do, and they used to get the text analytics solutions. But now the new technology has come. With just 3 lines of code, we can extract everything, every text out of it, entire audio clip. So what is this technology and who has given it? The company has already given any other solutions like this? Yes, the company name is OpenAI. You may not know about it as OpenAI. One of their product you will definitely know. That product name is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has brought revolutionary changes in the whole search industry. The way it is generating results, definitive and single solution for every search result. If you go to Google, you get whatever you search, you get 10 to thousands of search results. Some will be saying yes, some will be saying no. You are like what to follow, what not to follow. That will you will spend a lot of time over there. But ChatGPT, for every question, it will gonna give you only one answer, and that answer most probably going to be right. So these OpenAI people has come up with a new solution, new library called Whisper, right? It's called Whisper. Okay, this is a new technology we are going. This is the new library, and it's very recently launched. Now we are going to use this Whisper library to extract text out of an audio file. Okay, so before we go there, what are the prerequisites you should have in your laptop to run this? To extract the audio or to extract the text out of the audio. So one is you just need to have a basic, just a Google account. Okay, any Google account, one Google account. To access the cloud, you need a browser. Let it be Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, Chrome or Firefox. Okay, or anything such that. And let me bring it down. Then one more thing is that any audio clip, you need to have your audio clip to test, right? Yeah. And fourth one is one basic laptop, very basic laptop. You need not have any advanced configuration like 32 GB RAM, some SSD. You don't have to have all those things. So if you have these four things, I will show you how to extract text out of an audio with just 3 lines of code. Yeah, let's get into it. Now go to your any browser. In this case, I'm going to Mozilla Firefox and type collab.research.google.com. So I'm going to paste this link in the below description. So don't worry. So it is collab.research.google.com and click on enter, right? Okay. So now if you see at the bottom, you see something called new notebook. If you can see my cursor moving around over here, it is new notebook. Click on this new notebook. If you are doing it for the first time, guys, it's gonna take you for a while to load. Please be patient. So the page which is appearing over here, you see there is a heading called untitled, and you see something as a some box, some rectangular box, the play button over here, right? And if you see at the right hand side, you have something called connect here. Over here, something called connect. Let us spend 1 minute to understand what is this actually. Let us change the name of the. This is nothing but the name of the file. Let's change it to speech underscore to underscore text uh, from audio. Okay, we have and click on enter, right? Now we have changed the name of the file. It's this is nothing but a Jupyter notebook file. We are opening it in the Google Colab, like Google Cloud Platform, right? So it is, if you are a data scientist, if you are pursuing data science course or machine learning courses or data analyst, you would be having this code as a Jupyter notebook in your laptop installed. Like you have Jupyter notebook, VS code. So it's the same thing which is installed in your laptop, but we are seeing it in the cloud actually, right? That's the, so you renamed the file. That is the first thing you did. Now, second and most important step, we have to change the runtime to GPU. So if you see over here, if you see my cursor, use I am clicking on something called runtime over here. Scroll down. Last but third option, you have something called change runtime type. Here I am now. click on hardware accelerator as GPU, and GPU type as T4. It's a Python 3 actually. The same. We are running the code in the Python. So yeah, that's fine. Now click on save. After clicking save, observe over here on the right hand side. You still have connect option, right? Okay. So now I told you we have to write 3 lines of code. The first 2 lines of the code will write in the first cell. So let me bring the first 2 lines of code to here. So this is the first 2 lines of code. I'm going to bring the code and paste it in the browser. Control V. Right now, I have pasted this code. So what it is doing is that pip install some web address Whisper. So I am trying to install Whisper library in this Google Colab. We are remember guys, we are not installing anything on your laptop. We are installing this in our Google server actually. Now once you pasted this one, come to the left hand side. You see this play button, something called play button. Click on this play button. This is nothing but running a cell or executing a cell, right? So yeah, if you see the left hand side and right hand side, it's showing connecting, right? If you say over here, the top right hand side, it's showing connecting now. It is connecting now. The notebook is now it is turning into initializing, right? From connecting to it to initializing, now it is connected. Okay, once it is connected, so the code starts running. The circle is rotating over here. The play button is rotating itself like circle way. It means it's downloading and installing the Whisper and FFmpeg libraries into into this environment, into this runtime actually. Specifically speaking, it's keep on rotating. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, guys. Yeah. So it has been installed actually, right? Now comes into the picture of third line of the code. Okay. If you come down, ideally you should have some box here to paste the code, but you don't have that one. So go back to the top here. Go back to the top over here, and if you can see my cursor, click on plus code, right? Click on plus code. Yeah. Now paste the third line of code over here. So you have third line of code from here. Okay. Control C and bring it over here, right? Yeah. If you see what is happening here is that we are calling a library called Whisper. We have installed the library. Now we are calling it up. And this is the enter file name over here. Here is nothing but we are just need to enter the audio file name, right? And model. It's nothing but medium model. So it's nothing but Whisper model. Now you have something called medium. Yeah, I would like to take a pause here for 1 second and explain you what are the various variants available in this Whisper library. So let me go back to whiteboard. Okay. So Whisper library has given us 5 models actually. It's giving 5 models, right? What are the 5 models is that one is base model, second one is tiny model, third one is small, fourth one is medium, fifth one is large, right? So what is the difference among between these models is that large model will give you high accuracy, right? But it also gonna take high time. Base model is going to give you low accuracy, but it is gonna execute in low time or less time, right? Less time. Okay. It's a accuracy versus a time trade-off based on your user case you're going to decide. But in this example, I am going to use medium one. So here I am going to use the medium one, right? Perfect. Okay, let's go again. So I have given medium. Now I need to have my audio file to be uploaded into over here. So come back here. Now go to the left hand side. You see something called file option over here. If you can see my screen, there is something called file option over here. Click on it, right? And you will see something called sample data over here. Anywhere below the sample data or somewhere over here on the screen, just right click on it and click upload, right? Then it will gonna take you to your server and I'm going to upload this audio. This one. Yeah, click on open. So one more thing guys, this file, what is this warning is saying that you are using a Google Colab runtime, but it's only a temporary runtime. So once you exit out of it, your file is going to get deleted. That's okay, don't worry, we don't want the file to be there. Now, if you look at the top bottom side, the file is getting loaded. My file name is audio.m4a and the circle is rotating over here. So guys, this is going to take some time for you if you're doing it for the first time. So I suggest you to wait patiently and wait for some time. Yeah, so our file got uploaded our file name is audio underscore for underscore testing dot mp3. So let us update the name between these double quotes. So along with the format, guys, you need to give along with the format audio underscore for underscore testing dot mp3. Okay. Now after updating the name, just click on the play button again, right? So it is getting executed. See here, the medium model says around 1.42 GB, and it is getting downloaded in the cloud. It is not downloading to your local PC, and the speed is around 267 MB per second, which is very, very high. Okay, the model is still running. Okay, if you see, you know, the second line says detecting language using the first 30 seconds. So based on your first 30 seconds, it is going to identify which language you are speaking, and it has detected English as a the language used in the this audio, right? Now you see here, this is I just recorded an audio of a news article that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday arrived in Washington DC. He went to some Washington. I just read it and recorded it in an audio clip, and I just uploaded it over here. It's exactly the same thing which I have spoken on the audio. You will see, if you can even see the timelines actually, like from which second to which second I spoke the first sentence and all. If you see, the first word of every sentence is a capital letter, and wherever noun is coming, it is again becoming a capital. You see this, right? So the way it is taking care of the punctuation, it is really good. And capitalization, we see the full stops and everywhere, it's really, really good, right? Now if you come to the left hand side again, you see that, right? You see couple of files, new files getting generated. Earlier it used to be only one file, audio for testing mp3 over here, but you see some more files over here. The same output is being given in multiple formats over here. My favorite is txt file, right? Click on three dots and click on download. You got it over here, the entire speech over here. But if you want along with the timestamps and everything, just click on play with some of these files, you will get your output. That's it, guys. I just shown you how to extract text out of any file just within 3 minutes. I'm going to paste all these things in the description, the links to all these codes. Yeah, thanks for your patience, and thanks a lot for watching us. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.